Hey guys, today I will show you how to verify your identity on id.me for unemployment. So, first is start at your unemployment website. After filing, you will receive an access code via email or notice. Use it on your state's unemployment portal and choose verify with id.me. Then sign in or create an id.me account. You can also just navigate to id.me, click on sign in button at the top right and create a new account on id.me. You can enter your email and password, then set up two-factor authentication via text or authenticator. If you don't have an account, click on these options or click on view more options and sign up using any one of these like Facebook, Google, Apple, LinkedIn or more. Now, you can also click on create a new id.me account and you'll be taken to this page. Here you'll have to enter your email, create a strong password, confirm it and click on create account. After you do this, click on I accept terms of service and privacy policy, then click on create account. After you do this, you would have successfully sent an email address. Now, you will receive an email address where you will see the 6-digit code. Simply click on confirm your email on the email you received and enter the confirmation code on this page. Now, you can set up 2FA if you want. I will choose text message or phone call. Click on continue, choose call me. After you do this, you would be successfully taken to your id.me account where you'll have to simply provide a valid issued ID such as a driver's license or passport. Take clear front and back photos using your phone or webcam. Then capture a selfie video to match your face with the ID using on-screen prompts. Provide your social security number to complete identity confirmation. Then review the details, then click allow and continue to share the verified info with your unemployment agency. Now, if selfie verification fails, you can connect with a live id.me trusted referee or some states offer ID verification at participating post offices. So bring a QR code and original documents. You can use original, unexpired IDs, not copies. Ensure clear, well-lit images of ID and face and enter the same phone number and email linked to your unemployment claim. So, in conclusion, follow the process shown and your identity should be verified promptly, helping you access unemployment benefits quickly. If you are stuck, live support via id.me is available to assist. You'll have to just navigate to id.me page, click on contact support at the bottom of the page and you'll be able to solve your problem and connect with an expert right away. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.